In this video, we will see how to cover prepayments or deposits made on an order within FloorVisio. To begin with, you will have to make sure that in your system settings, the setting of allowed prepayments is checked. So once that's checked and you save your settings, we'll now go back to the home screen and we're going to recall the sample customer that we've been working with. And here's work order 248. So we're going to edit this order. We see when we edit this order that there's a PO line 1 quantity of 600 and the price is $10,253.23. And with this order, the customer was told to put 50% up front. And so what we have done is down here, now that the prepayment setting is turned on in our system settings, we put in here the PO line if applicable, the date they paid, and the description of the payment and the amount. What that will do is when this order ships, we'll print the packing slip. See, everything still looks the same, but when you view the packing slip, you see that the packing slip will have the prepayment on it. And so now, when we go to invoice, you'll see that there is the invoice for that line, and then here is the second line subtracting $5,126.62 from the invoice number 6333. It'll only do the payment on the initial shipment. Subsequent shipments will not have the prepayment applied to it. Now how you collect that prepayment is widely varied by company. But the one thing you just want to make sure is that on the order itself, in the fields of prepayment, we do not fill in values here until we have received this money, and your accounting department may receive it in as a credit or some other way. But once the customer has given the money, then you put the payment here. So I'll put the payment in until the money is collected. Otherwise, they'll get an invoice for half value or whatever they've paid upfront could be all of the value. And so that's how to do prepayments, deposits, upfront payments on an order within FloorVisio.